Have you ever thought that a complex Chinese character is actually built like building blocks from simple basic strokes? Take the character Z as an example. It consists of only 6 strokes. First, a downward left slant, then an erect stroke, followed by a horizontal turning stroke, and finally, 3 horizontal strokes. Once you have mastered these basic strokes, you can combine them freely like building blocks to gradually construct complete Chinese characters. The Fine Strokes Chinese Calligraphy Template is designed exactly for this purpose. We break down Chinese characters into basic stroke components such as a dot, horizontal, erect, slant, forceful press, and more. They are precision cut into elegant, hollowed out templates using metal. We offer 2 materials, stainless steel and brass, each providing a unique texture and tactile experience. With the Fine Strokes Chinese Calligraphy Template, anyone can become a builder of Chinese characters, exploring the beauty of the Chinese language with joy and laying a solid foundation in calligraphy step by step.